Hi, today in this video, I would like to show you how to check the active or retired PMI certification. For example, if you want to see how many people in your country is the owner of any certification, like the PMP, PCMP, PFMP, or other certifications from the PMI, you can come to the PMI website to find that information. In other case, if you want to validate to make sure any PMP or other certification is valid, so you can get the name of the certification owner and go to the PMI website for checking the eligible for the certification. So today in this video, I will guide you how to check it. Okay, so now let's get started. Open the browser and then access into the PMI.org website. This is the homepage of the PMI website. You hover to the menu on the top, certifications, and then under the certification overview, we have the hyperlink for certification registry. You go ahead to click on this. The system will navigate you to the certification registry page here, where you can search for active or retired credential holders information. Take a look into the right-hand side. We have a section where you can input some information for searching. If you know the first name and last name of the people who you want to validate and make sure the certification is active, so that you can enter the first name and last name here. However, in other case, if you just want to check the credential for all of the PMI-PMP certification in the country, click here. I'm in Vietnam, so that's I will select the value in Vietnam. Just go ahead to click on search button, and then the system will help you to query all of the members from the country. Yeah. So here in my country at this time, we have the 24 members who own the PMI-PMP certification. You can change the configuration here for the 50 records displaying on one page here. Yeah. You can do the same thing for other certification. For example, the PCMP. Search again. And here is the search result. Depending on how many records, how many person who own the certification you want to be searching here. So it will be taking more time for you to get all of the result. If we have a big result, it will take more time here for searching. For example, I will select another certification for the PMP because I think the PMP is very famous certification over the world. So that's we have a lot of the members who own this certification. I select this one. And of course, it will take more time for me to display the information. The same thing, I will select another country like the US. Search. It takes more time because the search record here is very big. Here, a lot of the members who own the PMP certification in the US. Here, that's all. And the last but not least, you can search this information even if you still not the PMI member. So here, I didn't log into my account, but I still can see some information here. Okay, alright. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Bye bye. See you soon.